rewarding. And, siguro, I don't know, parang natutuwa lang talaga ako para sa little Bianca na nangarap. I'm so proud of her, and dumating kasi ako sa isang point ng buhay ko, syempre alam ng karamihan before PBB na hindi ko alam kung para sa akin ba yung mga pangarap ko. So, to that old version of Bianca, mag-antay ka lang. Darating ka rin siyan. So, maraming salamat po sa mga taong naniwala po sa akin and those times wherein I really doubted myself. Star Cinema has been there for me since day one. Sabay sila nangarap kasama ako, and through thick and thin, they've always been there for me. So maraming salamat po to Sir Chris Gasman, of course, Tito Cory, Sir Carlo, of course, Direk May was my first director ever. Now we're here, we have our first movie. And of course, thank you so much to GMA. Thank you to Regal. I know na bago lang po ako sa inyo and wala pa po akong napapatunayan. But thank you for giving me a chance to do this. Thank you for giving me a chance to share my craft with you. It was such an honor, and ayan, maraming salamat po.
Parang tapos na yung press ko, no? Hindi pa, ha?
Sorry.
We're just getting started. Oh, medyo emotions lang talaga eh. Oh, sige.
Of course, sorry, add ko
Go
lang.
ahead.
Later na lang. Later ko na lang kayo think, no? Kasi baka matapos.
Oo, mamaya na yung thank you sa dalawa. Baka tapusin mo na, Bianca. Wag muna, okay. Relax ka muna dyan. Relax ka muna. Papatiin muna natin lahat na makasama natin ngayon sa ating Q&A. Tal, our birthday girl, ikaw muna!